Hey guys, this is Kathy from Voyager. Just doing a quick video tour of the brand new 2016 Jayco North Point 341 RLTS. Let's go have a peek inside. Hey guys, we're inside the 341 RLTS now. We're going to give a little interior tour. Come on with me. Look at this splendor. This is absolutely gorgeous. Got your fireplace. So we've got our large flat screen TV here that pops out of the cabinet, our nice fireplace below, and check out this pantry. Look at this, LED lighting throughout inside the pantry with pull drawers. Just beautiful fit and finish. Of course, all smooth Corian countertop, solid surface, nice island kitchen, ton of counter space everywhere. Got lots of cabinets, drawers, stainless steel appliances, a lot of cabinets, great storage on this unit, especially the buffet hutch area. You can put your appliances here, your bar, lots of cabinets below and above, nice glass inset, gorgeous fit and finish. We even have a remote control for all the power options on this fifth wheel. We've got the slide controls, light, exterior light, leveler, your 6-point leveler system. It's just amazing. Remotes for everything, including the patio awning. 2 of them. Dinette, freestanding dinette table. Gorgeous theater seating here with cup holders, recliners, and a beautiful couch with ottoman in the back. Okay, come on up with me and we'll look at the king-size master bedroom. Absolutely beautiful. Walk-in closet, a ton of room in here. Cheater ensuite that goes into the bathroom. Lots of walk-around room, huge chest of drawers, lots of wardrobe and hanging space, and also, of course, your flat screen TV with your charging center below. Okay, and look at the storage underneath this king-size bed. Lots of storage, plus a nice little added lockbox safe for your goodies. Okay, see inside the washroom. Lots of space in this ample washroom with cupboards, cabinets, vanities, foot flush toilet, skylight, neo-angle shower, lots of room, and it goes right into the bedroom or out into the main living room. I just love the fit and finish on this Jayco. Even the bird is lit up in blue. Isn't that awesome? Outside the 341 RLTS now, look at this baggage storage. Inside here is massive. Got your barbecue there that has a quick connect, wired for solar, of course, with the Go Power system. Just a massive amount of room. Could even have a little exterior TV mounted right here. Here's the hookups for it. Slam latch doors, easy open. Here's the front section, also another big area for storage, or if you choose to put a generator. Here we have our 6-point leveling system. So nice, you just push a button, touch of a button controls for leveling. We also have the beautiful frameless windows, better for maintenance, beautiful looking, and also just better for thermal quality. This is where your barbecue mounts on the back. And take a look at these awesome power patio awnings. They're just huge, and there's 2 of them. Another nice feature is the Alumilite steps. Beautiful, and they don't rust or corrode, and they're light as a feather to lift. Okay guys, it's been a tour of the Jayco North Point 341 RLTS. Come on down and see it at Voyager or see us online at voyagerrv.ca.